Hello everyone, welcome to Crack Defense. Today's online session is on ordering of sentences. Some of them also called as para-jumbled. So in this session, we are going to solve and we are going to look into the methods and tricks of solving those exercises where one paragraph is given and the sentences of those paragraphs are jumbled. You have sometimes you are given starting sentence which is called as S1 or 1, and then you get P, Q, R, S, 4 sentences which are jumbled, and then you get the ending sentence, that is S6. So now we are going to see the methods of solving these types of questions. So now over here there are certain points which need to be kept in mind while solving certain problems. Now we'll see them one by one. Number 1 is spot the central theme of the passage, that is a neutral theme. Now first of all, before solving the question or before finding the answer, you have to read out all the 6 sentences, that is S1, P, Q, R, S and S6. So once you read all the sentences, you will get an idea of a neutral theme or a neutral theme of the passage, neutral idea of the passage. Okay, once you get that, then it becomes more easier to solve the question. Number 2, general to specific. Now in a passage or in the sentences, there will be a general thing and then there will be a specific thing. Now general theme is, example, there was a depression. This is a general. But when this depression is specific, that the act or the effects of this depression was severe in XYZ country. So there was a depression becomes general information, and the effects of that depression in XYZ country becomes specific. So keep this in mind, that first sentence will come about general information followed by specific information. Next, noun pronoun relationship. So in a sentence, example, in a Q sentence, there the noun is mentioned. Example, Amit is intelligent. Okay, and in Q, the sentence is he is in 10th standard. So now over here, Amit is noun and he is pronoun. So as per the relationship and as per the English grammar, noun will come first. So the arrangement will be Q and then P somewhere. Okay, so first noun will come and then pronoun sentence will come. Now acronym. Now over here, it's all about the short forms or the abbreviations which we use. So now for the sentences, now we have acronyms over here. So what happens is, like, there will be starting statement and ending statement, and we will be having PQRS. So these abbreviations will be not used for the first time. Whenever they want to introduce any person or any organization, they will use full form. Now example, World Health Organization. Statement P is having the full form of WHO, and statement Q is having WHO. Then later they are using abbreviations. So whenever we introduce any organization or any person, then for the first time we will not use any abbreviations. So over here you can identify that P statement comes first and then the Q will come. Similar goes with Dr. Manmohan Singh. So first they will use Dr. Manmohan Singh, and in the later sentences they will use Dr. Singh or Dr. Manmohan Singh. Now for the Charlie's Harry, they may first time use his full name, and for the later sentences they may use Mr. Harry. Okay, this is how acronyms are treated. Now hypothesis comes before example. Now hypothesis comes before examples means there is example any theory or any principle. For example, this is one of the hypotheses or theory or principles that Alzheimer's disease is treated using drugs. So now this statement will come first, and then the examples or related information will come later. Now later on in the sentences, they will give us the names of those drugs, how it is treated, advantages and disadvantages, or later they may describe the disease Alzheimer. Now this is how you have to deal with hypothesis. Next will be chronological order. Now that will be according to the time. If the sentences or the passage theme or the idea is about any past event, then we have to follow the chronology. Next comes connectors. Now if any sentence, that is PQRS, if it starts with connectors, it means that it is not the starting sentence. It cannot be introducing sentence. Okay. Next, articles a and the. The is used when things is introduced for the first time. This is the rule which comes under parts of speeches. Now again, this first will come proper noun and then will come common noun. So we have 4 sentences, P, Q, R, S. So now whenever we want to say anything regarding any place or any common noun, then we will introduce first proper noun and then common noun. So first we will say Delhi is capital of India. Then we will say the city is beautiful. See, we first are using proper noun, and then we will use common noun. Next, as a result, we should come after action. This phrase, as a result, will come after action. So in any sentences, example R and Q. Q is telling us about action, and as a result, this phrase is in R sentence. So we will use Q first and then R. These are the certain tricks and techniques which you or which everyone should use while solving parajumble sentences.
As always, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.